Welcome to Akshaya channel. Please subscribe my channel. Today's GK facts quiz. Which is the cleanest city in India? Option A Delhi, B Bangalore, C Pune, D Indore. Answer is D Indore. Which is the largest state in India? Option A West Bengal, B Uttar Pradesh, C Rajasthan, D Madhya Pradesh. Answer is C Rajasthan. Which is the second most spoken language in India? Option A English, B Tamil, C Marathi, D Bengali. Answer is D Bengali. Which river flows through the maximum number of states in India? Option A Ganga, B Yamuna, C Godavari, D Brahmaputra. Answer is C Godavari. Who was popularly called as Chachaji? Option A Jawaharlal Nehru, B Mahatma Gandhi, C Sardar Patel, D Lal Bahadur Shastri. Answer is A Jawaharlal Nehru. In which year Dr. C.V. Raman won the Nobel Prize? Option A 1919, option B 1920, option C 1930, option D 1935. Answer is C 1930. Which is the largest living animal in the world? Option A giraffe, B elephant, C dolphin, D blue whale. Answer is D blue whale. Which is the second largest country by area? Answer A China, B India, C Canada, D USA. Answer is C Canada. In which continent is India located? Option A Asia, B Africa, C Europe, D Australia. Answer is option A Asia. In which sports the word LBW used? Option A cricket, B hockey, C polo, D football. Answer is A cricket.